Here are 12 foods perfect for enjoying during game night. Chips and salsa. Crispy tortilla chips paired with zesty salsa for a flavorful start. Chicken wings. Spicy buffalo wings or honey glazed drumettes, perfect for finger licking. Pizza. Slices of cheesy goodness with your favorite toppings, ideal for sharing. Nachos. Loaded with melted cheese, jalapenos, guacamole, and sour cream for a fiesta in every bite. Sliders. Mini burgers with juicy patties, cheese, and all the fixings, easy to grab between rounds. Cheese and crackers. A selection of cheeses paired with crisp crackers for a classy touch. Popcorn. Classic buttered popcorn or gourmet flavors like caramel or cheese for a movie night twist. Pigs in a blanket. Mini sausages wrapped in flaky pastry, served with mustard or ketchup. Stuffed mushrooms. Savory caps filled with cheese, breadcrumbs, and herbs. Quesadillas. Cheesy tortillas filled with chicken, beef, or veggies, served with salsa and sour cream. Vegetable platter. Fresh veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers with ranch or hummus dip. Dessert bars. Brownies, blondies, or cookie bars for a sweet finish to the gaming session. These foods will keep everyone fueled and happy throughout your game night adventures.